ka na?
Grabe, I'm so excited and I can't wait to start this journey. And I'm just so thankful. I'm still so overwhelmed right now.
Paano mo napag-yes si Daniel? Kasi 2 years siya maniligaw. 2 years siya
Already 18 na po, medyo okay na. Now I'm 19, so yeah, parang letting me
Ano sinabi ng Angel sa pagpasok mo sa show?
Pagpasok sa showbiz. Binigyan namin madaming advice. And she really asked me, I'm sure ako, like, kasi alam niyo naman lahat na mahirap tong trabaho na to. So she really asked me if I was sure, if I wanted to join, and I said yes.
How does it feel na she broke her internet silence para
Actually, ako din nagulat. Sabi ko, like, nagsiscroll ako sa Instagram, diba, sa stories. Nag-refresh ako, sabi ko, nag-story si Tita Angel. Tapos, ayun, binasa ko, oh my God, like, she broke her silence just to repost my launch. Like, my launch reel. It's an honor. I mean, even if close kami, like, kamag-anak kami, I'm still a fan, despite that.
How is your relationship with her?
How's my relationship with her? It's good.
Close kayo?
Like,
Pero kailan ba siya magiging available to work with you?
tanongin niyo po. Hindi ba ako sinunod?
Carmela, ano excited ka gawin? Are you open to having a love team? Kasi your kuya started out with
I mean, hindi naman po kasi ako lang nag-decide but if yung kuya nabigay sa akin na try to get me in my get that opportunity. But, sana po
Dapat may ano.
Pwede ba kayo bigyan ng idea how strict yung kuya mo? Kasi pati sa... like, bawal may curfew ba? Siya yung parang nagdaan ko sa bahay.
Yeah, no. Gets ko na eh. Kahit wala ko siya sabihin, titignan lang na ako agad. Tapos, alam ko na yun. Quiet na lang na yung behavior. Yeah, si Kuya very strict siya kasi napagdaanan yung lahat here eh. Sa industry na to. And, you know, there's ups and downs and we're just looking out for the best.
Guys, sa tingin nyo, ano yung advantage and disadvantage ng isang anak o kapatid ng sikat na artist?
Advantage.
And disadvantage?
Advantage. I'd say, since kilala na sila, sikat na sila, yung noise nila bukod sa amin. Pero yung disadvantage, I guess, parang you have to fill in for their roots, you have to fill in their shoes, na parang they've accomplished so much. Like, you know, si Kuya Daniel, it's needless to say na Tita Angel ko, kuya niya, lahat ng mga pamilya namin, they've accomplished so much. So, we have to, it's our inherent job to, you know, to match that. So, that's the disadvantage.
How about you, Gabi?
I think yung advantage namin is unlike other yung mga nagsisimula pa lang po, you know, as in kapang na kapang po sila. Well, namin sa situation po namin, andyan na po yung kuya ko, mom ko, and like, dahil po doon nagkaroon kami ng opportunities, which is ang dapat hindi po namin dapat i-take advantage and dapat namin baliwala or just chill lang, get spoon feed. So, yeah, yung disadvantage naman po is titignan kami as a, like, mga sport kids, diba? Like, nepo babies. For me, nepo babies isn't a bad thing for me. Kasi pinaghirapan ng parents. It's a blessing. And, yeah, I think yun na siguro kung paano mag-isip siguro some of the people on social media. Yes.
Gano'n do you handle yung mga bashing, mga bashers?
Ako po?
Yes, yes.
Ignore. If it's not constructive criticism, which we, as you know, as educated individuals, would know whether it's constructive criticism, we'd ignore it. I mean, I would.
the attention they crave.
You only give power, like the attention you give to comments, they only have power if you give them power. It's kanya-kanyang perspective. For some, this word means a lot. For others, this word does not mean anything at all. So, kapag sa mga bashers, sa mga negative comments, just turn them out.
Kanina may mga nag-express ng intent na sumali sa PBB. Kayo rin ba, if ever na magkaroon ng chance, gusto nyo rin bang i-open yung live niya sa public?
I mean, I'm open. I'm a big fan of the show. I love TV. It's entertaining. It's probably one of the best reality shows ever created. Speaking objectively. But I'm open to joining if given the opportunity.
How about you?
Yes, me also. Like, I'm open to join. And I think that's gonna be a great start if ever. And yeah, paalam ulit kay Kuya if pwede pumasok. So yeah, but I'm open. I'd love to join.
Aside from your relatives, sino pa yung mga gusto niyo mag-work with na celebrity?
Currently, I just speak
Aside from your relatives, sino yung gusto niyo mag-work with?
Idol ko pong celebrity.
Gusto maka-work, sorry.
Oh my gosh. Siguro si Tito Chard, Richard Gutierrez. Opo, sa Incognito, kuya niya, oh my god, gusto kong paki-work sa kanila. Rom-com, I'm open to anybody, anyone that comes my way. Maybe if management tells me that, oh, I have to work with this person, I'm open to it. But yeah, that's my answer.
Yes, of course, I'm very open. Kahit ano lang po opportunity, I'm gonna take it.
Sino yung celebrity yung kita niya?
Yes, si Roxy talaga. Kasi yun din po yung gusto kong role is drama and action. And yung kita niya, yung doon po talaga siya
Drama.
Pero bakit hindi kayo maging magkalaw?
Open. Matagal na ba kayo magkakilala? Parang may chemistry.
Before,
O, today lang.
Yeah,
Pero nag-workshop na kayo ng batch niyo?
not napanood ko po siya sa All-Star Games. Actually, like, ubos yung boss ko sa kanya.
Follow-up lang po. Hindi lang naman po kayo nababothers like sa Nepo. Siyempre, people would say things like that. Pero hindi po ba kayo nababother?
Well, I was born with it. If I got bothered by it, or kung na-offend ako sa title na Nepo Baby, that just means, I don't love myself and I don't love the gifts that God has given me. I actually, it's not a bad thing. I was born into this life, I had no choice. But I'm super grateful to God na meron akong dad na ganito, meron akong stepmom na ganito. So, no, I don't get bothered.
yes, same lang po. Since bata pa lang po kami, we grew up hearing those things and now it's just like, we just take it as a compliment na lang. But na parang Nepo Baby, yes, our parents work hard. And yeah, we don't really take it in a bad way because it's really nice. It's really not a bad word or bad.
Ano yung mga naging fears nyo before entering showbiz or now na nasa showbiz na kayo?
Ang fear ko is siguro not reaching my full potential. That's my biggest fear.
What's my biggest fear?
In showbiz?
Yeah.
I think, confidence is a big thing, especially in this industry. But, I don't know, I was raised in a way na as much as possible, don't fear anything. I think, even if I fear, this industry, acting despite being scared of something is a good thing. It's bravery, it's courage. So, yeah, that's what I'd say on fear.
So what are your realizations now na nasa showbiz na kayo? Kumusta yung mga experience niyo so far?
Now mas na-realize ko na wow, I really enjoy it. Like, na-enjoy ko, you know, kahit simpleng interviews na dito, media call, walking sa red carpet, I really enjoy it. And I think I really wanted to do this forever as a job. Parang hindi nga siya job eh. Just like, enjoy doing it.
What she said, it's super fun. Daming good company, you know, a lot of good people I met so far. I've finished taping for my first show. I love the process. I love acting. It's safe to say, I love this job and I love my job. It does not feel like a job. It feels like a hobby.
Sa mga nilaunch ngayon, meron na ba doon ng mga friends nyo or dati nyo na silang kilala or ngayon nyo lang din sila nakilala?
I'm close with Angelina na po since best friends yung mom niya and mom ko. So, kids, bata ko yung po kami. Magkakasama na kami nila Angelina. Well, kami nung TP lang po sa mga shoots before the content signing.
Thank you!